Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create ghost like behind a person video edit on CapCut PC. So select like this video. I am using the same video as the previous one, so I'm just going to copy and paste this actually. Oops. And then on the second video, go to cutout and select auto cutout. And once it's done, you're just going to select like a picture or like a video of like a ghost. Make sure it's like a PNG version. If it's like a video, just select auto cutout. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to put her to the side. And then I'm also again going to do the same thing. I want it to have like, so it's like the lights went off. And I'm going to select the opacity and kind of adjust it so it's not super dark. And okay, maybe it's a little bit too long, so I'm just going to adjust it. And there you go, that is it. As you can see, it's pretty scary if the ghost like does move. Maybe like you can use keyframes if it's like an image. So add a keyframe here, and then like here you can like scale it and like move it forward a little bit. That's a little bit too fast for my liking, so I'm just going to adjust the keyframe so it's like the movement is a little bit slower. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!